Thank you, Roger, for the introduction. My name is João Cortez, and I'm here on behalf of, I'm getting some feedback, Biomimetic Bone Solutions to present to you our first product called ECHOCAP. ECHOCAP is being developed by a team with cumulative 50 years of experience in developing biomaterials, and they have been focusing on the last few years on a major health problem, osteomyelitis. Osteomyelitis is a bone infection that is associated to diabetic foot ulcers, to prostheses and open fractures. And it affects as many as 150 million people worldwide, and 8.5 in the US and Europe alone. So the standard treatment for osteomyelitis involves a first surgery to clean the infected tissue, so-called tissue debridement, and is followed by a course of antibiotics that can last 4 to 6 weeks. If the wound is not clear, this round can go once and twice in surgery to clean the wound, course of antibiotics, etc., until the wound is completely clean. And then a final surgery takes place to put in a bone graft. So this is a difficult treatment for the patient, and it's a complex situation for the surgeon as well. So the major issues that orthopedic surgeons raised on this treatment are focusing on its effectiveness. It is difficult to eradicate the infection locally, and it is translated by up to 40% in recurrence of infection, and also by a high risk of amputation. So one thing we have to keep in mind is that first we need to fully eradicate the infection and then start growing bone. And currently there is no efficient solution in the market to fully eradicate the infection and form new bone in one single intervention. So we present to you ECHOCAP, the one-step solution for osteomyelitis. It enables a sustained and local delivery of antibiotic, and thereafter the same material promotes bone regeneration. So we will still do this first surgery to clear all infected tissue, but in the same surgery we will apply ECHOCAP to treat the infection and promote bone regeneration in one single intervention, so only one surgery. How does this work? Basically, our material is made of 3 components. 2 of them are in bone, so they mimic bone, and the third one is capable of binding the antibiotic and slowly releasing it for a period of 14 days, killing the infection. Thereafter, the same material is able to recruit cells, bone cells, and promote regeneration and formation of new bone. So, because these capabilities are unique, we decided to file for a patent application. How does our product actually work? As I explained, first we clear all infected bone, infected tissue, and the surgeon in theater prepares ECHOCAP loaded with antibiotics and applies it to the defect, and the antibiotic starts to be released for a period of 14 days, killing all bacteria present. Thereafter, the same material promotes vascularization, promotes cell recruitment and proliferation, and new bone starts to be formed, filling all that gap. So we have new bone. So ECHOCAP enables a one-step solution to treat osteomyelitis and promote bone regeneration thereafter. Comparing to the standard treatment, we can reduce the treatment time, we can reduce surgeries to 1, and optimize the amount of antibiotic being used. The 2 closest competitors we have found are circled there. One of them has just entered the market in end of April, and the other one is now starting large animal trials. However, we are superior because we will reduce the number of surgeries to 1, and we are able to promote bone formation more efficiently than our competition. One thing we want to tackle as well is the cost of treating severe cases of osteomyelitis. They cost as much as 25.5 billion euros to treat severe cases just in the US and Europe alone. However, our market for antibiotic delivery and bone regeneration for these same areas is 1.27 billion euros. And by the end of year 5, we want to have 17.8 million euros of that market. In terms of our business model, B2S will produce EchoCap and reach our customers, orthopedic surgeons, through a direct sales force. And thereafter, we will use selected distributors to reach our market. EchoCap, as I said, is the result of 5 years of research. We have now tested our product in small animals, and it works. Now we need to test it in large animals and follow the typical roadmap for a product such as ours, aiming at the 6th year to get FDA approval and CE mark approval as well. We will need 6.4 million euros to do so, and we aim to start sales in 2021 in Europe and US. So at the end of the 5th year of sales, we expect to have 17.8 million euros of sales and a payback period of 3 years after start of sales. In 2018, we will finish our first human testing, and we expect this to be a good time for our investors to get some return on their investment. So orthopedic surgeons are now presented with a product that optimizes antibiotic delivery and dosage, maximizes bone formation, and can reduce time and cost of treatment. EchoCap is your one-step solution for osteomyelitis. So we will very much welcome any questions and ask you to come to our stand outside, where we'll be able to tell you more about this basketball player. Thank you.